So this is my first video, and yeah, we're gonna do a role play. Yeah. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And let's start the role play. Ooh, gummy. Let me just eat some. Where did the gummies go? Anyways. Okay, I think it's time for her to take a nap. Come on, Star. Come on, Zoe. Let you take a nap. Come on, take a nap. Don't mind. Please don't mind this. I'm very sorry, but please don't mind it. I'm very sorry, guys, but please don't mind it. Okay, come on, let's go. Finally, you're asleep. Mwah. And let me just get the baby monitor. Okay, great. Okay, let me just get the phone. Connect it so I can walk from here. Okay. I'll just put that there. In case I get disconnected from here. Is she asleep? Yes, honey, she's asleep. Okay. Don't mind it. Oh my gosh. Yo. I'm gonna throw this iPad now. Cause I have a new one. Cause I have a new one. Ha 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 ha. Kuya, 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 kuya. Oh my god. Girl, you scared me. You look like a monster. Dude, shut up. Dude, what do you want? I bought myself an iPad. Girl, I don't care. Girl, dude, you always do it. Anyways, you can have this iPad. Dude, why am I gonna get this iPad? It's literally color purple. I wanted like blue or green. So selfish. Fine, I'll just trash it, I guess. Wait, does it have Roblox on it? Girl, duh. Dude, duh. Gimme. Gimme. I don't care if it's purple. Hey, the screen is cracked. Hey, the screen is so cracked. I forgot to tell you that was the screen now. Anyways, that's first. Bye. Anyway, that's yours. Bye. Guys, don't mind the background. The back, please. Oh my gosh. Oh phew. He's not going here. I locked the door. Uh-oh, I gotta hide. This is definitely not perfect. Sissy, where are you? You think I can see you from there? No, I can literally see you from there. What do you want? Get this iPad and throw me by yourself. Ah! I'm sorry. I'm not getting that iPad because I really want an iPad, but I don't want to color purple. I'm letting mom buy my iPad. Oh shush. I'm gonna keep this iPad though. I'm buying I'm gonna buy myself anyways. Wait, I also need to get an iPad also. Let me check if we have something. Oh, this is a pretty good iPad. I'll just get both of them. One for Kuya and one for Great. And I'll just pay. Okay, then this is very great. And I already paid it. Just to say thank you. And I'm throwing that anyways. But after I get it. Oh my gosh, I think it's lunchtime. Yo, did you get me an iPad? No. Oh, you're so annoying. Oh, shush. this. Time out! Time out! Both of you, give me your phone. Your phone. Your phone. You get back in. Shush. Here. You both have to say sorry to each other. Sorry. Ah, these kids. These kids. Come on, let's go to dinner. I'm at lunch. Oh my gosh. Leave your phone in your bedroom. Fine. Where's your mom? Oh my gosh. Honey, come on. Let's wake up now. Let's go. I got her. Open the freaking elevator. Okay, it's getting darker. It's 30 minutes. Okay. And pretend they already finished eating. This is gonna be long. Okay, we're finally done eating. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Gotta get my clothes upstairs. You know who's gonna shower first? Well, basically not me. Well, you know me and the mom guys. So let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on. Okay. Down. Come on, honey, let's sleep. Good night, honey. Night. Good morning. Let's go wake up my family. Morning! Morning! Morning, the craziest sister ever. Oh, shush. Come on, let's go down. Wake up the parents up, bro. I think they can wake up by themselves. Oh, morning, honey. Morning. Come on, let's go down and let's. Oh my. Okay, guys. Sorry. Okay, okay, let's go. Let's go. In the door. Okay, what do you guys want for breakfast? Pancakes! Pancakes! Pancakes, honey. Okay. Clips, okay. Just change into my outfit. Hey, come on guys, sit down. Oh! Can someone grab some, I'll grab. Oh my gosh, I forgot to wear my glasses. Okay. She's gonna eat like broccoli and stuff. Okay. Sure. Hey. Here, it's here. Thank you. Let me just put some star. I'll just get some milk. Yeah, I'll get some milk for myself. I don't want you to get my milk. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Coffee, please. Okay, I'll get you coffee. With ano? Okay. Here. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm gonna get some. Getting chocolate milk. Oh no, strawberry milk. Go get your strawberry milk. This strawberry milk. Delicious. Strawberry milk is good. Why don't you try it? Oh, thank you. I'm good. Yeah, because you don't try new things. Woo, woo. so delicious. I mean it. Okay, where's beautiful mom? Here, right here. Where is stars? Thingy. Oh, I think I don't know it. Okay, here is yours. And here is yours. And this is mine. And I'll get coffee for myself. Coffee for brown. Yay! I think she can feed her own. Okay. This is delicious. So it is natapon siya una. Yum. Okay, I finished first. Whoever's the last, I'm gonna wash the dishes. Not this again. But finished. So we did, remember? Wait, I forgot to drink my coffee. Ah, yum. Just watch. Come on. Dun. Okay, never mind. Oh, yum. Thanks, Mom. Ha. Look, I'll finish second. Ha. Oh, you're going on. Hey, I played before. Huh. It's the easiest thing ever. Beating you up. You're so mean. Have fun washing the dishes. Have fun washing the dishes. Oh, God. Always washing the dishes as usual. Oh my gosh. Where's the sponge? Where is the sponge? Okay. I'll just wash this. Wash. Wow. Ice cream here, wow. As long as there's ice cream. Finished one. go. Whoops, I forgot the game.